Topic for today is diagnosis by palpation, okay? So let's go to skin palpation. Palpating the skin involves focusing on three major topics. Number one, temperature of the skin. Number two, moisture of the skin. Number three, texture of the skin, okay? So how do we do this? By three different methods. By touching, by stroking, and by pressing, okay? So let's go to palpating the body. There are three different palpation techniques. One is touching, light touch of the patient's skin. It detects the temperature, moisture, and sweat. By stroking in the skin and deeper tissues of the patient. It is usually carried out in chest, abdomen, and limbs. It determines presence of tenderness and swelling, okay? So by pressing relatively hard to deeper levels, okay? It is usually done in the abdomen. It determines presence of pain or masses, okay? So key things to know, the temperature, subjective feeling of heat does not always correspond to the objective feeling of heat of the skin. Uh, if the skin feels hot to touch, it often indicates damp heat. If it is cold feeling, it indicates cold pattern. It is often felt in loins or lower abdomen or lower back, which indicates kidney yang deficiency, okay? If it is hot on the first touch, ceasing to feel hot with sustained pressure, it indicates wind heat invasion is still on exterior, okay? If the skin over vessel is hot on medium pressure, but not on heavy pressure, it means interior heat in the middle jaw or heart, okay? If the skin is hot on heavy pressure, nearly nearing the bone, it indicates empty heat from yin deficiency, okay? So key things to know, moisture and texture, okay? Moist skin may indicate invasion of exterior by wind cold or more commonly wind heat, okay? There is moist skin with absence of exterior symptoms, indicates spontaneous sweating from lung Qi deficiency, okay? If there is dry skin, it indicates blood or lung yin deficiency. If it is rough, like skin, it may indicate painful obstruction syndrome from wind. If it is scaly and dry skin, it indicates exhaustion of body fluids. If it is swollen skin with a pit left after pressing, it indicates edema. If there is swollen skin, no pit, indicates retention of dampness, okay? Let's go to limb palpation. Key things to remember, hands and feet cold to the touch, it indicates yang deficiency. If the whole arm and leg feel cold, it indicates kidney yang deficiency or empty cold. If there's only forearm and lower leg feels cold, it may indicate interior cold from Qi stagnation or full cold. If only the hands and feet feel cold, it may indicate Qi stagnation. Okay? Remember po niyo yan. If the limbs feeling hot, indicate the heat pattern. If hands hot on the dorsum, it indicates full heat. If hands hot on palms, it indicates empty heat from yin deficiency. Okay.